Hello everybody, it's Thomas. It's about 4 p.m. on Sunday, February 12th, and I'm going to discuss the snowfall that is coming to our area tomorrow. The first page I'm showing here is the National Weather Service St. Louis homepage. As you can see, the Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for our area. This is kind of like a middle of the ground advisory. It's not the blizzard warnings, ice storm, winter storm warnings, but it's also nothing like the issue of like if an inch of snow falls like the other day. This is the middle of the ground advisory, and this is in effect from 9 a.m. tomorrow until midnight tomorrow night. The next page I'm showing you is the 500 millibar map in this main page. And the main system that is going to bring the snowfall is this area of low pressure that's currently moving out of Utah into Colorado, and this area of low pressure will continue to shift off to the east into our area by later tonight and tomorrow. Um, Clouds should start increasing this evening as the system approaches. You can see we get a little feed, a little jet stream maximum coming around on the base of the trough here. The trough you can see right here. And this will continue to shift off to the east over the evening. This upper left-hand map here is just to show these surface winds and the surface pressures. Currently we are under an area of high pressure with the high centered across eastern Arkansas, right on the Mississippi River. And this high pressure, as this system kicks out of the Rockies towards our area, this high pressure will shift off to the east and south, which will allow winds to turn to the south later on tonight and tomorrow, which will help to bring in Gulf moisture overnight tonight. And this is what's going to help create our snowfall for tomorrow. This next image in the bottom left is the current radar image. As you can see, we have snow falling in parts of western Oklahoma through all of West Texas and Southwest Texas actually as well. This is a pretty cold system, by the way. With some rain falling around the Dallas to San Antonio and Austin areas. This precipitation will continue to shift off towards the north and east, as you can see right here. And this area of precipitation will grow and intensify a little bit as it moves into an area of a little more moisture. The next 24 to 36 hours. This is a model. This is the 4 kilometer wharf model, and this is for about, what's the hour I have it at? This is showing what the radar. This is the model that's showing what it thinks the radar is going to look like tomorrow around 10 a.m. or so, 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's saying that the precipitation will be moving into the area around the 9 to 10 o'clock in the morning time frame. We skip ahead. Oops, that's going backwards. That one. We skip ahead for the next several hours. Each image I'm showing you is 1 hour later. So, this snowfall is going to stick around for several hours tomorrow, and it could get a little heavy at times. It'll mostly be a light snow, but could get a little heavier as we go into the day. This is my snowfall totals. I think most areas will see a 1, 2 to 3 inches across the entire state of Missouri, with a little lesser amounts towards the south. As later in the day, the precipitation in southern Missouri and especially southeast area will be switching and mixing with freezing rain and sleet later on in the day. If a nice little band sets up, like from the models are showing, if a nice little band does set up across central Missouri, we could see it on the orders of 2 to 3 inches. Some areas around 4 inches for the area. The Weather Service is calling for 3.2 inches of snow right now for the St. Louis area. I don't know if we'll get that high, but if a nice band does set up along the I-44 corridor, we could get that high. That's not out of the question, but I think most areas will see on the order of 2 to 3 inches, with isolated areas that'll be upwards of 4. But that'll only be in isolated areas. Most areas will not see. Most areas I don't think will see 3 inches. But if a nice band sets up, we could get a little more than 3 inches in some areas. So that is that. Everybody drive safe tomorrow and have a good day.